Hello all, myself Professor Girish Ole. I'm working as assistant professor in computer engineering department of AI systems IIT. And today we'll see how the different attacks occurs in cybersecurity through virus, worms, cookies. So we'll see the different attacks one by one. So these are the different types of attacks. Virus, first one is virus, second is worm, third one is Trojan horse, fourth one is applet activity control, fifth one is cookies. So first is virus. We all know that whenever we are accessing some resources from internet, okay, so malicious files also gets downloaded uh, from that particular resources. So whenever the malicious file gets downloaded on the client side, it is deleting some important files from the client side. So these virus they are making when can say it's an active attack. They are making the modification. They are making some modifications in the file. They are deleting the files, important files on the client side, corrupting important files, and slow down the internet network process. So that this first attack is virus. Second is worm. So worm is nothing but we'll see. This is worm. So A, suppose this is A. So a particular worm is attached to this particular file. So worm is nothing but it is replicating that particular file. You can see a copy of A is replicated 2 times. In second cycle, it is replicated 3 times. In fourth cycle, it is replicated 4 times. Like this, it is making the replication of the copies for multiple times. So due to this, what is happening ki the resources are getting internet resources are getting very slow, network is getting very slow. The purpose of worm is to slow down the network and not making any modification, but the purpose is to slow down the network. So to do this multiple copies of a particular file, so if I have 100 files, there are multiple copies of the different files, so which makes the internet very slow or network process very slow. So this is due to worms, it slow downs the network. So that is the drawback of worms. Now we'll see what is cookies. Cookies basically they are stored on a client side in a cookies folder. So cookies is, suppose if I'm accessing a particular site, if I'm accessing a particular site for the first time, the let's say if I'm browsing that site, so this is a web server. A web server will check the request from particular browser. It will give the response to web browser. But what is doing web browser is doing, it is maintaining a particular ID of that web browser, so that for particular resources, and it enters particular ID information. In that ID of a client, it maintains that particular information on the web server side. So what is happening when a web browser is again requesting for the same resources, the web server is checking whether that particular ID of a client is existing for that particular request or not. If it is existing, it is directly giving the page, so that the process is getting very faster. But due to that ID of client, so what is happening here, key intruder is capturing the uh, ID of a client here, ID of a client. So whenever ID of a client, the intruder capture, due to that, intruder is able to give the same request to the web server. So web server will think that it is the ID of a particular web browser, so it will directly give the resources to that intruder, not the web browser. So that through these cookies also the information is hacked by the intruder due to that particular ID of a client on the server side. So this is the cookies. Now Trojan horse is an attack. Trojan horse is an attack. So whenever web browser is there, a login screen is there, some code is uh, attached to to that login screen, and that login Trojan horse, it just captures that ID and password, monitors. We can say keylogger is a best example of Trojan horse. It monitors the ID and password, and next time the attacker is accessing the information through that particular ID and password, and due to that, the information is getting stolen by the intruder. So these are the different attacks by using Trojan horse, cookies, and all that.